Guys, look at this sneaker store. It's like Peter Parker castle. We're gonna go inside. Look at this. Wow, so nice. This store is like Anta sneakers. We're gonna go inside and check the shoes. Wow, so many shoes. Here we go. Oh, they have a basketball shoes there. They have a lot of basketball shoes there. Upstairs, look at that. Yes, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Wow. So good. Anta pala to. Ganda oh. Oh, dito siguro. Lakaring. Anta kasi sponsor si Kari. Ang daming design oh. Ang gaganda guys. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Yeah. Deliver upstairs? Wow. Ang ganda. Parang din-deliver lang pag may nag-order dun sa itaas. So, deliver lang oh. Lumalaglag lang dyan oh. Ang ganda. Ayos ah. Parang factory ka lang oh. Ganda pa lang pag ano. Unique guys. Unique. Grabe. Ito yung mga clothes nila. Ito running shoes to eh. Do you have upstairs? You gonna go there? Okay. We're gonna check out upstairs guys. Yung ating stars. Ang ganda oh. Design nila oh. Parang castle talaga oh. Yun guys. Punta na tayo sa castles. Ang ganda. Grabe. Second floor is the clothes. Ano yung mga clothes sila dito. Dito din i-deliver yung mga sapatos guys sa baba. Kung anong sizes. Grabe oh. Unique na to ah.